Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing the Dell S3221QS 32-inch curved 4K UHD monitor. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out. The Dell S3221QS 32-inch curved 4K UHD monitor. With a 3840 by 2160 UHD resolution, this monitor showcases crystal clear detail and vibrant colors, offering 4 times the resolution of Full HD. Whether you're editing photos, binge-watching your favorite series, or gaming, the precision and clarity make every frame breathtaking. The 90% DCI-P3 and 99% sRGB color coverage ensure color accuracy and vividness, making it a fantastic choice for creative professionals or anyone who appreciates true-to-life imagery. The 1800R curvature wraps around your field of view, creating an immersive experience that enhances movies, games, and productivity. The curved design reduces eye strain, allowing you to work or play comfortably for extended periods while staying fully immersed in the content. This monitor prioritizes user comfort with its TUV-certified flicker-free technology and Comfort View feature, which reduces harmful blue light emissions. This thoughtful addition ensures that even during long sessions, your eyes are well protected. With a 4 milliseconds response time and AMD FreeSync technology, the monitor eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, ensuring smooth performance for gamers and movie enthusiasts. While it has a 60 Hz refresh rate, the visual quality and responsiveness make it more than capable of delivering a satisfying gaming or multimedia experience. The dual 5W speakers, professionally tuned by Waves MaxxAudio, deliver rich and immersive sound. This eliminates the need for external speakers for most users, keeping your desk setup clean and minimalistic without sacrificing audio quality. This monitor offers full adjustability, including tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, enabling you to customize the monitor's position for maximum comfort. The VESA mount compatibility adds even more flexibility, allowing you to adapt it to various setups seamlessly. Equipped with HDMI, DisplayPort, and other essential ports, this monitor supports a wide range of devices, making it incredibly versatile. The 3-sided ultra-thin bezel design not only maximizes screen space but also gives it a sleek, modern look that enhances any workspace. The Dell S3221QS 32-inch curved 4K UHD monitor is a masterpiece of visual clarity and immersive design, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their home office, gaming, or entertainment setup. Its stunning visuals, immersive curvature, comfortable features, and built-in audio make it a standout choice for professionals, gamers, and entertainment enthusiasts. Dell has delivered a product that perfectly balances functionality and aesthetics, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a high-quality 4K curved monitor. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out.